welcome back to another YouTube video. Make sure to try to like the notification bell. Today I just made this magical mixing hands-on science, and I really like it. And thanks to my auntie Maria.
Thank you, Auntie Maria, for this awesome science kit.
Yes.
That you got for Christmas.
Yes, that she gave me. Look at this little one. These are the mixing tools.
Awesome.
And then I just made this bouncy putty that right now has a hole in it. But once I do it, I can show you it on the table. I just need to roll it back up. Yeah, it's fun. And today we're gonna get tacos for the first time.
Yeah.
I was going to go with my aunt's, but she got sick. So, hope you feel better.
We hope Auntie Maria feels better, my sister. We hope you feel better. We are going to do a rain check family. We're going to go out with Valentina's aunts another time. But today we decided we do still want to go out to dinner. So we're going to go in a little while. But first we did this awesome magical mixing kit, which she loves. Yeah. It did take a while. You want to tell them the ingredients for that? So the main ingredient for that...
Pink. You could make it... I made it pink, but you can also make it blue and yellow. It looks like red, but it's actually pink. And this is like the color it turned out to be. And also there's some glitter for other things. And 11 things that I made too. I made two because this needs the...
Which two did you make?
Sorcery putty.
Sensory putty.
Sensory putty and bouncing slimes.
So we did 2 of these 11 experiments. And so far, super fun, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And now I just made this hole. And I like this because it's a bouncy ball and slime and putty. You just rip it apart really.
Awesome. And you know what Mom likes?
What?
Mom likes that it came with this container. So when she's done, because like I said, we're going to go out in a couple minutes. She's going to put it back in that mixing, and it's also a storage container. Because you don't want to put putty or slime near any fabric, right?
Yeah, and we don't want it by accidentally rolling off and then Jack tries to eat it.
Yeah.
This is not good for cats, but it is still fun.
And by the way, we did tell you guys that I was not feeling good and Valentina was not feeling good.
But now we're both feeling a lot better.
Yay, thankfully. I'm so happy that I'm feeling much better and Valentina's feeling great.
Wait,
so we're back. We're back to doing crafts and doing homeschool stuff. It feels really good to be back to good health. I think I'm actually 100% now. It took me a while though. I wasn't like super sick, but I just, my head was still stuffy for quite a while. And now...
Like, I don't know what that means.
You know, like I had a stuffy nose and I felt like a little dizzy and tired.
Was your head hurting?
My head hurt a little bit.
I didn't even try I was trying to rip it, but it was in 2 pieces and I was trying to rip it, but I just put it back together.
Awesome. And here's some other stuff. We've been getting super crafty because we've been in so much. We were doing some stamps, some other stamps.
And there's just a blank piece of paper.
Some blank piece of paper.
And I also made this castle.
Yeah, we were in like total blue mode, so Valentina got some awesome...
my cousins gave me a bunch of... I'll show you. It's a lot easier to show you.
This is our classroom / craft room, which you've seen us video in here. Yeah, Valentina has got a lot of awesome presents.
It's like activity coloring books. And I also got a crayon set and a Crayola marker set, which I don't need a lot of crayons because I will show you in a second.
But the markers, well, yeah, I mean, we love every gift. We're very appreciative for all the gifts we got. But the markers were like a super cool set, and it came with all these different types of blue or greens and blues. So we made a little category and some castles.
For it, but look at this.
Oh my goodness, this is Valentina. Well, we've been every time we get crayons since she was like a little kid, a little baby, really. We put them in here, so now it's getting super full. Well, we could always donate some of them.
Made like a little brace. It's not a ring. It's a bracelet for your finger, but that's basically a ring. But it's not a ring. It's a bracelet for your finger, not a ring.
Awesome. All right. Well, let's say bye for now. We started to decorate our home. The next holiday is Valentine's Day, so we took out these beautiful
I feel
flowers.
like a lot of people would know that.
And we put a little decoration on our wisdom tree, and we put some other decorations.
Whoa! Look how flat this is.
So.
Smush it.
We hope everyone has a good end of January. There's only like another week of this month. And then it'll be February, the month of love. Yay.
It's the month of love.
I'm calling February the month of love. All right, bye for now. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.
And then notification bell.
And the notification bell. All right, bye.
Bye.